What's up YouTube? Today we're making a vegetarian Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme. Make sure to subscribe for more food content. Start by heating 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add in your Impossible burger ground and start breaking up the ground with your spatula. Cook until the burger ground starts to brown and drain out any excess liquid. Season it according to the taco seasoning packet. After the burger ground is done cooking, it's time to build our crunch wrap. Take your tortilla and find the center point. Take your knife and slice it halfway down from the center point, essentially creating a flap in the tortilla. In the first quadrant next to the cut, add 1 tablespoon of sour cream and top it off with some Doritos. In the next quadrant, add some shredded lettuce and cut tomatoes. In the third quadrant, spread 1 tablespoon of queso and top it off with an even layer of Impossible burger ground. In the final quadrant, add the shredded cheese. After all your ingredients are added, take the first quadrant and fold it onto itself. Finally, sear both sides of the crunch wrap in a skillet until golden brown and the shredded cheese is melted. Slice the crunch wrap in half and serve it with your favorite hot sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.